The salt lake color of the Vivo X Fold 6 instantly grabs your attention. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Inspired by crystal clear salt lakes and sky reflections, this soft white finish looks fresh, clean, and incredibly premium. It almost feels like staring at a chilled glass of sparkling water. And the more you look, the more subtle textures you discover beneath the surface. It's elegant, sophisticated, and perfect for both everyday use and business settings. The craftsmanship is equally impressive. The back panel feels silky smooth and resists fingerprints really well. Around the camera module, Vivo has added a raised base and a translucent white ring that gives it an extra touch of class. Every detail feels carefully designed, and the moment you hold it, you know this is a true flagship. Now, here's the surprising part. Even though it's a foldable phone, the Vivo X Fold 6 feels remarkably light. The rounded metal frame makes it comfortable to hold, and the outer screen feels just like using a normal smartphone. Open it up and you're greeted with a massive display with perfectly symmetrical bezels that make everything look balanced and premium. But there's something even more exciting. The Vivo X Fold 6 supports a telephoto lens accessory kit with the new JR telephoto lens. In just a few steps, it transforms into a compact mirrorless-style camera with powerful zoom capabilities. Thanks to its folding design, you also get multi-screen framing for even more creative shots. Overall, the Vivo X Fold 6 brings together stunning design, great comfort, and impressive photography features in one package. And trust me, there are still plenty of surprises waiting inside this device. So make sure you're following us, because in the coming days, we'll show you exactly how everything works. This is only our first impression of the Vivo X Fold 6, and our full in-depth review is coming right after the official launch. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that